So, hello guys, welcome to another video of Bharat Solutions Corner. So, today I'll show you how to upload a file in Google Drive in the easiest way. So, without any further ado, let's get started. So, first, I have the page of uh, the drive, that is drive.google.com right now. And the first thing you need to do is that go to your drive with your account. Just check, make sure that if it's your account, and restore down your window. Click on new and click on, if it's a file you can upload, you can choose file upload. If it's a folder you can choose folder upload. So now I choose file, and things come like this. This can also be done, but the easiest method is just take drive and put which file you want to put in the drive, like drag it and drop it inside on the place where you want to copy it. Like for example, yeah, yeah, you see this uploading one item. Yeah, upload complete. Like I have a folder here. I have many folders here, like my drive, which comes here. You cannot see it. Let me. Um, I'll show you. Hmm. Okay. So here comes my drive, and if I want to put it in my drive, I will drag and drop it into my drive. Otherwise, shared with me, no, because it's the things which are shared with us that cannot be put inside shared with me. So in this, I put in my drive. You see this uploading one item, and you saw that. That's only the thing. That's the easiest way to upload a file in Google Drive. So until the next video, take care. And if you like this video, please subscribe and smash the like button. And keep waiting for the new videos. And get to my milestone of 50 subscribers for the third part of the Code.org T20 video. If you haven't seen that video, it will be helpful for you to make your own T20 game using the simplified version of JavaScript, that is in Code.org Game Lab. So make sure to watch that to make your own game and understand the concepts. So until the next video, bye.